Welcome to Marketer Diary, your go-to channel for all things digital marketing. Today, we're diving into a big question. What is digital marketing and why do you need it, even if you think you don't? Let's be real, if your business isn't online, does it even exist? Long gone are the days of phone books and flyers. Who even reads those anymore? So why is digital marketing the game changer for businesses today? Stick around and let's break it down without the boring stuff. What is digital marketing? Why do you need it? How to get started? Let's jump in. What is digital marketing? Alright, let's keep it simple. Digital marketing is just a fancy way of saying how businesses promote themselves online. Instead of billboards and TV ads, we now have Google, social media, and email campaigns doing all the heavy lifting. For example, imagine you open a bakery. You could wait for customers to just walk in. Or you could post irresistible pastry pics on Instagram, run Facebook ads for local delivery, send emails with special discounts. Boom, that's digital marketing. Main types of digital marketing. Digital marketing comes in many forms. Let's go through the top ones. Search engine optimization. Ever Googled best pizza near me? The businesses that show up first aren't lucky they nailed SEO. Social media marketing. That moment when an Instagram ad makes you crave a $7 iced coffee? That's digital marketing at work. Content marketing. You know those do-it-yourself YouTube channels that casually recommend certain tools? Yep, that's marketing too. Email marketing. Those get 10% off emails that somehow arrive right when you're thinking of buying? Not magic marketing. Pay-per-click ads. Those Google ads you see for best running shoes, businesses pay to be there. Video marketing. Ever laughed at a TikTok and suddenly wanted to buy something? That's powerful video marketing. See, you've already interacted with digital marketing today and didn't even realize it. Why digital marketing is a must-have? Okay, so why should you care? Let me break it down. 1. Your customers are already online. We spend too much time on our phones. Whether doom scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m. or Googling why do cats ignore humans, we're always online. If your business isn't there, someone else's is. 2. It's cheaper than traditional ads. Super Bowl ad, millions of dollars. A Facebook or Google ad, even $10 can get you results. 3. You can target exactly who you want. Ever searched for sneakers and then sneaker ads follow you everywhere? Creepy, maybe effective, absolutely. 4. It builds trust and brand awareness. People buy from brands they trust. A coffee shop with hilarious tweets gains followers. A skincare brand answering Instagram questions builds credibility. A restaurant with 5-star reviews, fully booked every weekend. 5. You can track what's working. Unlike billboards, digital marketing tracks everything. Clicks, views, sales. If something isn't working, you adjust it in real time. Customers online, affordable, highly targeted, builds trust, tracks results, digital marketing no-brainer. How to get started, even if you're a beginner. Ready to level up your brand? Follow these 6 simple steps. Step 1. Create a website and claim your Google My Business listing. Step 2. Learn basic SEO so people can find you. Step 3. Post engaging content, blogs, videos, behind the scenes. Step 4. Try Facebook and Google ads. They're affordable and effective. Step 5. Collect emails and send out special offers. Step 6. Track what's working with Google Analytics and adjust as needed. Start small, be consistent, watch your brand grow. Is digital marketing worth it? Short answer, yes. Long answer, also yes, unless you enjoy watching customers go to competitors who are doing digital marketing. So, what are you waiting for? Hit like and subscribe for more marketing tips. See you in the next video from Marketer Diary.